Beefy burgers are still king, but this restaurant began offering Bison burgers 3 years ago, and they now sell around 300 a week.
I didn't think it would become that popular. I thought it would be a slow progress, but it seemed to take off very quickly.
Be aware, bison can be expensive, sometimes twice as much as beef.
So yeah, y'all, you know we had to go and make one. So we gonna go ahead and get our bison meat, ground bison, out that pack. Then we're gonna go ahead and make a little well. Crack an egg, cause this bison, it needs that egg just to add a little bit more richness and a little bit more moisture to it. After we get this mixed thoroughly, we're gonna go ahead and form our burgers. Now we're just gonna make balls, and then we're gonna smash them down in that pan. Once we get those balls made, we're gonna go ahead and rain on it with a little salt and pepper. Then we're gonna get them in that pan, season side down. Season side down, y'all. Once we get them in that pan, we're gonna rain on them once again. Hit them with that same salt and pepper. Go ahead and give them a smash. And form our burger patties, y'all. And of course, while those burgers was doing their thing, we went on and got us some more fries in that hot oil, y'all. Cause I had to make two batches. But anyway, let's check out these nutritional facts.
It's a solid choice. According to the USDA, a grass-fed 3-ounce bison patty has 152 calories and 7 grams of fat. That's less than a broiled 90% lean beef burger, which averages 184 calories and 10 grams of fat. And it's even less than a broiled 93% lean turkey burger, which averages 176 calories and 10 grams of fat.
And wow, these bison burgers are better for you than a turkey burger. That's surprising, y'all. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and give these a flip halfway through. When you see those meat juices start coming up, you know it's time to give that burger a flip. After we give it a flip, we're gonna add us a little shredded cheddar cheese. Once that cheddar cheese melt down, we know it's time to get that burger out. Now it's time to build that sandwich, y'all. Starting off with our burger, a little lettuce, a couple slices of tomato, some mustard. Gotta have my mustard, y'all. And a few pickles. Now let's give this bison burger a taste, y'all. And look at that bad boy right there. And guess what, y'all? You can't really tell the difference between this being beef or bison. It's so good, y'all. Definitely a thumbs up. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.